As a business owner in the United States, understanding your tax obligations is crucial to maintaining compliance and avoiding penalties. In 2024, employer tax responsibilities encompass several key areas, including federal income tax withholding, Social Security and Medicare taxes, federal unemployment tax, and state-specific requirements. Federal income tax withholding employers are required to withhold federal income tax from employees' wages. The amount withheld is based on the employee's Form W-4, which details their filing status, number of allowances, and any additional withholding amounts. The IRS provides updated tax tables annually to guide employers in calculating the correct withholding amounts. Key points. Ensure each employee submits a completed Form W-4. Use the IRS tax tables to determine the correct withholding amount. Deposit withheld taxes according to the IRS deposit schedule, monthly or semi-weekly, depending on the total tax amount. Social Security and Medicare taxes, FICA. The Federal Insurance Contributions Act, FICA, mandates that employers withhold Social Security and Medicare taxes from employees' wages and also contribute an equal amount. For 2024, the Social Security tax rate is 6.2% on wages up to $160,200, and the Medicare tax rate is 1.45% on all wages. Additionally, high earners are subject to an extra 0.9% Medicare tax on wages over $200,000. Key points. Withhold 6.2% for Social Security and 1.45% for Medicare from employee wages. Match the employee contributions with an equal employer contribution. Withhold an additional 0.9% Medicare tax on wages exceeding $200,000. Federal Unemployment Tax Act, FUTA. Employers must pay FUTA tax to provide unemployment compensation to workers who lose their jobs. The FUTA tax rate is 6% on the first $7,000 of each employee's annual wages. However, employers can claim a tax credit of up to 5.4% for timely state unemployment tax payments, reducing the effective FUTA tax rate to 0.6%. Key points. Pay FUTA tax on the first $7,000 of each employee's wages. Ensure timely state unemployment tax payments to receive the maximum credit. State tax obligations. In addition to federal taxes, employers must comply with state-specific tax obligations. These can include state income tax withholding, state unemployment tax, and other employment-related taxes. Each state has its own tax rates, filing requirements, and deadlines. Key points. Register with your state's tax agency to understand specific requirements. Withhold state income tax where applicable. Pay state unemployment insurance taxes according to state regulations. Employment tax filing and payment employers must file various tax forms with the IRS and state tax agencies throughout the year. Key federal forms include Form 941-on, Quarterly Report of Federal Income Tax, Social Security and Medicare taxes withheld. Form 940-I, Annual Report of FUTA tax. Form W-2, Annual Wage and Tax Statement provided to employees and the Social Security Administration. Key points. File Form 941 quarterly and Form 940 annually. Provide Form W-2 to employees by January 31st of the following year. Use the Electronic Federal Tax Payment System, EFTPS, for tax deposits. Staying compliant. To ensure compliance, employers should keep accurate payroll records. Stay updated on tax law changes. Consider using payroll software or hiring a professional payroll service. Consult with a tax professional for complex tax situations.